Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Today I am starting a series on superfoods. By the end of each episode, you will be able to list a few health benefits and you will learn how to prepare these superfoods. So stay tuned and let's get right into the video. I will be kicking off this series with the Noni Fruit. So let's get started. Noni, also known as superfood, is a very popular world fruit. Here are 12 health benefits of the Noni fruit. The first thing you should do is wash these. There are so many ways to prepare the noni juice, but in this video, I am choosing the method of cutting and blending. If you don't have a blender, you can crush, add a little water and strain. Also, you can do the method where you drain this, but this method will take a little longer. At this point, I am just going to add this to my blender, add a little water and blend this. Now I made sure to put this on the lowest speed to prevent the blender from crushing the seeds. And I didn't blend it for too long. Before I strain this, I am going to add a few limes. You can add orange or you can just leave it that way. Once you have strained it, it's time to drink up. So this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time, bye.